Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're back on Noah's Honda CBR1000. We're ripping out what we installed. We're getting rid of these turn signals. That is because we are installing the Motodynamic integrated LED sequential taillight. It's going to clean up the rear. These little turn signals go into the taillight, so all it is a little plate holder back here. Right now, Noah's getting a drill ready. That is because one of the main screws that hold all this thing in is stripped. Definitely wasn't us who did that. I think some random person definitely came by and stripped them themselves, because we would never do that. That's enough of me talking. Let's get to the install. As you can see, finally got the bolts out. Took a little bit longer than we wanted, but we got her done. Now what's the next step is to start dismantling this like tail piece, right? Yep. Next step after that, just take these two screws out. That thing should pop out. We're taking out this screw and then this screw down there. That way we can lift up this kind of like plastic support, and then hopefully this little tail light pops on out.
How TF do you undo that?
After doing these two screws, you just kind of pull up on this rear support, tail light pops out. Then after that, just unhook it there.
Oh, these things are my nemesis, I'll tell you what.
And Noah's not a fan of these clips. Let's see if he can get it. Oh, cash money. There you go. Out with the old. And then we got a new boy. Wait, screw that. Did it come with stickers though? No stickers? Damn, you gotta return that. I'm gonna start a GoFundMe. We're gonna finally get Noah's Supermoto build project on the way. This thing's been sitting neglected, wanting a Supermoto build on it, but as you can see, it's gonna take a while.
That's it.
Good stuff.
Go home.
Yep. So he got the smoked one, so it kind of gives like a black tint to it, aka smoke. Should look a lot cleaner. Let me go get the OEM one. So we got that one. Trash. Good trash. Both taillights popped in, wires are ran through. With this kit, it comes with a little adapter. So yellow to yellow, blue to blue, and then you run it back here. And what we're hoping, blue to blue and then yellow to orange. But first, these wires are going to this turn signal kit from New Rage Cycles, but we're gonna take those wires out, fish them back through, rip that thing out, and then we'll get back to you.
Do you remember how much of a big pain in the cock it was to...
Yeah, I remember we got it all put together, and then we realized we forgot to run those through.
Oh no! Well, it'll come back up, but it won't go down any further.
You'll have that on these big jobs.
That's what they say.
Oh, throw it.
How these shits work.
There you go. Oh. Don't screw this up now.
Wow.
You did it. Now I gotta heat shrink that. Found it. Oh. There you go. Really seem to be shrinking.
They don't. Are those not ones that shrink?
I feel like they are. Maybe they're not.
Roasting my marshmallows. Let's try blue. Let's see if you're right.
I feel like I'm right. Hit me with it. You do one of those. I'll let everyone decide. Oh. It flashes.
Let's go.
That looks sick.
Like this? Yes.
How you doing back here?
Oh, just a little wire routing.
Time to start clipping things back in, putting in that screw, those two screws, and then I think after that, it's time to get the tail section back on. I think we're good to go. You do gotta take these speed clips off the OEM one. and then put them on the new one. Flat side goes on the top like that.
Here's that one. Why does it seem so far off?
So as you can see, got the tail on, that tail fairing. Now we're just putting in the final bolts. Cowl will go on. We'll button up the little license plate. The tail is all put back together. Tail light is in. We have the sequential turn signal going. It looks overall super nice. Cleans up this whole tail. Doesn't have those two little white blinkers down there anymore. Just the license plate. What do you think of it? Decent. Decent.
Alright guys, so to wrap it up here, pretty simple install. Just take this little back fairing off, stick her in there, plug her in, put her back together, and it gives you a nice clean look in the rear end. Thanks for watching. Come see us next video.